Hi everyone. Now there's been a lot of videos on YouTube about whether the iPad Pro can replace your laptop or your MacBook or be your only device. And I'm going to be quite honest and admit that I have been a big Apple hater over the years. I have owned one iPhone, which was the 3GS back in like 95, 2000, whenever it was. And my wife bought me this iPad for my birthday in 2011. It's printed on the back. I can't get myself to throw it away, so it's still sat around, and I haven't switched this thing on for years because it's like so slow now. I use a Samsung Note 8 as my daily phone, and I generally love the whole Android experience. I am looking at upgrading this phone, so if anybody can recommend a decent dual SIM phone, please let me know. I use a Microsoft Surface Pro generally, and at work we use Windows-based PCs. However, recently, everywhere I looked, I came across videos or pictures of this new iPad Pro 2020. And Apple said your next laptop is not a laptop. And this got me quite intrigued. Over the last year, I have taken up photography and video making as a bit of a hobby. And I purchased a Sony a6400 camera, which I'm actually shooting on right now. My videos and photos I was editing on my phone. And this is a bit of a pain in the butt, if I'm totally honest with you. So I thought this could be a good time to take a look at Apple's latest offering. And here it is. I ordered the 12.9-inch 2020 iPad Pro from John Lewis because they give you a 2-year warranty and their after sales is fantastic. Plus they could deliver this quicker to me than Apple could. I ordered this on Saturday night and today it's Monday and it's here. So, you know, a huge thumbs up to John Lewis for excellent delivery. I went for the 512 gig Wi-Fi only model and this set me back £1,269. I also ordered the Apple Pencil, which was another £119, which has been shipped separately for some reason and it's not here yet. So that's just under £1,400. I've also ordered a case with a keyboard off Amazon for £40, just under £40, and I've also ordered a Belkertech Hub, which is just under £50, which should allow me to expand this. I will link all of this in the description below, by the way. I really wanted the Bridge Pro Plus keyboard, but this is not available yet. So I think I'm going to wait for the Apple Magic Keyboard. This is available in mid-May and it's going to be like £350. So it's very expensive, but I think I will get one because it looks absolutely amazing. I did consider the 11-inch actually, and I had my heart set on it as I do travel a lot and I thought it would be more travel friendly. But then I thought, you know, my Surface Pro 4, which I still use, is like 12 inches and it travels pretty well. So I decided to pay the extra and go for the bigger model. So all in all, I've spent like just under £1,500, which is quite a lot considering I wasn't really in the market for a new tablet at this exact moment in time. Now, with what's going on in the world and working from home over the last couple of weeks, it's got me thinking that, you know, I really want to set up an awesome home office, a bit like all the YouTubers have. And if this iPad Pro works like I want it to, then I'll have it at the heart of my whole system. And I'll expand it with an external monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. So guys, actually consider subscribing because I will be getting my home office set up really soon and I'll show you guys around once it's all ready. So anyway, here it goes. Let's go and unbox this. Right, I absolutely love opening new gadgets. It's just so satisfying, you know, hearing that wrapping coming away. So let's do this, guys. Okay, let's get rid of that and try and get this thing out if we can. Come on. It's coming, it's coming. And here we are. So, okay, what have we got? So we've got owner's manuals. Yeah, owner's guide. What else is in there? Oh, a couple of Apple stickers. Don't know if you guys can see that. They'll come in handy. USB-C to USB-C charger with a UK style plug, I'm assuming, in there, so we'll get that out of the way. Right, and here is what we paid all that money for. Oh, wow. Oops, that nearly went. This looks bloody awesome. And you know what? It's actually lighter than I thought it would be. So that's a good thing. And I love the space grey. I think that looks really nice. I'm so glad I went for this over the silver colour. What do you guys think? Now, from the research that I've done, this thing has Apple's new A12Z Bionic chip inside the tablet, which Apple claim is designed for things like 4K video editing, which I will be doing, so that's a good thing. It's also got these two rear cameras. This is a new feature on the new 2020 iPad Pro. One's a 12 megapixel wide lens camera, while the other is a 10 megapixel ultra wide lens. If I'm totally honest, I can't see myself walking around taking photos with this thing, but you know, I can see myself when more apps become available making use of the new LiDAR scanner. That's this right over here. That's a LiDAR scanner. Now this is designed for depth sensing, so it will help photography, I guess, but its real use will be when used with AR or augmented reality apps. This scanner is capable of measuring the distance of items up to 5 meters away, which is, you know, really impressive. Now, my main business is car audio and security, so when a customer comes in for a consultation on a new system for the car, I'm hoping I can somehow use this LiDAR scanner to almost create a real image showing the designs we have in our minds to the customers in their own cars. Now, up until now, this was something which was done using sketches or verbally, but this AR, I'm hoping, should allow me to instantly place objects where I want so a customer can see what I'm actually thinking about. So this could be a real help for us at work. This new iPad Pro also comes with 5 studio quality microphones, so should give really good audio when recording videos. It's also got 4 speakers, which I haven't obviously tested yet, but apparently sound pretty good. So let's switch it on and have a quick look. Hopefully it's got a bit of charge on it. It's already got a lot of fingerprints on it, by the way. Okay, that's coming on. Right, welcome to iPad. Swipe up to get started. And here we are. So, okay, I've got to verify my email address. It's not a problem. Okay, so guys, I'm going to use this for a few days and then I'll report back with my findings and I'll give my 2 cents worth on whether I think this has met my expectations and if I think this was money well spent. Any advice you guys may have or any apps you can recommend, please let me know in the comments below, as I am a newbie to Apple products and all help is appreciated. Thanks guys, that's me signing out for now. Please subscribe because I will do another video talking about this again. Thank you, see you soon.